Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we want to solve this Cambridge entrance exam. We have x squared plus 2x over x plus 2 all to the power of 2 equal to 5. But before we resolve this, let's make y to be equal to, let y be equal to 2x over x plus 2. That's this. So if y is this, we then have x squared plus y squared equal to 5. Let's call this equation 1. But from this y, we can cross multiply to have, from y, we can now have y times x plus 2 or equal to 2x. So opening this bracket, we have xy plus 2y equal to 2x. So this can be rewritten as xy equal to 2x minus 2y. Let's call this equation 2. So let's go ahead to simplify this equation 2 by squaring both sides. We have xy all squared equal to 2x minus 2y all squared. So this will become xy all squared equal to, opening this bracket, we have 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 8xy. So this is xy all squared equal to, let's factor out 4 from here. We have 4 bracket open x squared plus y squared minus 8xy. But remember our equation 1, from equation 1 we have x squared plus y squared equal to 5. X squared plus y squared equal to 5. So this is x squared plus y squared. We are going to be replacing it with 5. So this will be xy all squared equal to 4 times 5 minus 8xy. Simplifying further, we have xy all squared equal to 4 times 5 is 20 minus 8xy. So this will give us xy all squared plus 8xy minus 20 equal to 0. So when we simplify this quadratic equation, we'll be having xy minus 2 and xy plus 10 equal to 0. So this simply means that xy minus 2 is equal to 0, or xy plus 10 is equal to 0. That is to say that xy is equal to 2 and xy is equal to minus 10. So let's call this case 1 and this is case 2. But let's remember that our equation 2 is xy equal to 2x minus 2y. So considering the first case, we have case 1, we have xy equal to 2 and we have xy equal to 2x minus 2y. So this means this is case 1, but this is our equation 2. So solving equation 2 and case 1, we have 2 is equal to 2x minus 2y. So dividing by 2, we have that 1 is equal to x minus y. So simplifying this, let's make y the subject. So y will be equal to x minus 1. So substituting for y into xy equal to 2, we have x times x minus 1 or equal to 2. So this is x squared minus x equal to 2. So we have x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So solving this quadratic equation, we can use factorization method to get x plus 1 times x minus 2 or equal to 0, meaning that x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this simply means that x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So that is that for case 1. So we'll go for case 2. Case 2, xy equal to minus 10. But equation 2, we have that xy equal to 2x minus 2y. So since xy is equal to minus 10, we then have minus 10 is equal to 2x minus 2y. So dividing by 2, we have minus 5 is equal to x minus y. So from here, we have minus 5 is equal to x minus y. So this simply means that y is equal to x plus 5. So substituting for y into here, we have x plus 5 or equal to minus 10. So opening the bracket, we have x squared plus 5x equal to minus 10, which is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. So let a be equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to 10. So our x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we'll be resolving this quadratic equation. So we have minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 is 5 to the power of 2 is 25 minus 40 all over 2. So we have x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 40 is minus 15 all over 2. So we have x to be equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 1 times 15 all over 2. So we have x to be equal to minus 5 plus or minus root 15i over 2. So x is equal to 1 over 2 bracket minus 5 plus or minus root 15i. So the four values of x are values of x. We have x to be equal to minus 1. We have x to be equal to 2. We have x to be equal to 1 over 2 times minus 5 plus root 15i. And we have x to be equal to minus 1 over 2 times 5 plus root 15I. So these are the four values of x